Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type WP Reset. You'll see the plugin with a red and white logo. Click Install Now, then click Activate. Once the plugin is active, go to the Tools section in the left menu and select WP Reset. On the WP Reset page, scroll down until you see the Site Reset section. Before you reset your site, make sure you understand that this will delete all your posts, pages, users, and customizations. It will not remove your themes or plugins, but it will deactivate them. To continue, type the word Reset into the confirmation field, then click the red Reset Site button. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Reset WordPress. Your site will now reset and return to the default WordPress state. After a few seconds, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. You'll notice that your themes and plugins are still installed, but they're deactivated. You can now activate the ones you want or start setting up your site again from scratch. That's it. Thank you for watching.